In this lesson, you're going to learn about two types of draw games that can take place in the game of chess. So in the last few lessons, you've been learning a lot about how to win this game of chess using this concept what's called checkmate. But in this video, we're going to talk about two other ways that this chess game can end in which you and your opponent both tie. The first type of tie that I want to talk about is called a draw by insufficient material. And what this means is that both sides, the white player and the black player, that neither of them have enough pieces to get the other person in checkmate. And right here is a type of draw by insufficient material because even though white still has a knight on their side, this knight and this king will never be able to get this black king in checkmate, and this black king alone will never be able to get the white king in checkmate. So therefore, you shake hands, this game was a tie. It means it was a really good game, and you'll probably have a good time playing that person the next time. The second type of draw is called a draw by stalemate, and this usually means that one side made a big mistake. In this position, you can tell that black is winning. They've got a rook and their king versus white's king only, and they've managed to get the white king trapped down here in the corner, and now they're just trying to figure out how they can checkmate this king. Now, if black made a big mistake and decided to move their rook here to this g3 square, you can see that on this move they're not putting the white king into check, and now that it's white's turn, we realize that white doesn't have any square that it can move to. It's not in check, and it has no legal option for where it can move, therefore this game is a stalemate. Black should have won, but they made a big mistake and they tied it. Shake hands, nice to play you, and play again. If you take a look, before black made that big mistake, instead of stalemating the game, what they should have done is move their rook to here, giving a checkmate. Now white's king can't go here because the rook is attacking, they can't go there because the king is protecting, and they can't go there because the black king is protecting, therefore this is a checkmate. So there you have it. Now you know 3 different ways that this game of chess can end. It can end with one person winning because of a checkmate, it can end in a tie by a draw by stalemate, or it can end in a tie called a draw by insufficient material. If you can remember those things for this lesson, you're doing great. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here in the